Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. In this recipe, I want to share with you a leek dish with grapes and cinnamon, Cretan style. With its unique preparation and wonderful taste, I have approximately 650 grams of leeks. Let's remove the green leaves at the tip. After thoroughly washing the leeks, let's chop them as shown in the video. Similarly, 2 medium carrots, just like the leeks. Let's slice them thinly and long. Also, 2 peeled oranges. Let's slice them into rings. Then, at the bottom of the pot, arrange the orange slices. Add the chopped leeks on top. Smooth out the surface. Sprinkle the chopped carrots on top. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of washed rice over it. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of washed currants over it. Sprinkle about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. All over with our hands. Drizzle the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon over it. Drizzle approximately 1 finger less than a tea glass of olive oil over it. The more olive oil we use, the more delicious it will be. Initially, I added 1 tea glass of water. If necessary, I will add more later. Let's place our dish on the stove and cover it. After it starts boiling, on low heat, let it cook without stirring but in a controlled manner. If necessary, add more water. During the cooking process, I added about half a tea glass of hot water again. Our leek dish cooked on low heat for about 45 minutes. Remove it from the stove. Serve it warm or cold, as you prefer. If you have time, it will be much more delicious if you let it rest in the refrigerator overnight. After it cools down, transfer our leek dish to a serving plate. It will especially suit your dinner parties beautifully. It turned out to be a wonderful leek dish. I hope you try it and like it too. Bon appetit to those who will try it. If you've watched my video this far and liked it, you can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching and for your interest.